Oh, check it out. Can you all see that? That's Possum dogs right there on the towel.
That's Ace and
Ellie.
Ellie.
Yeah,
Brownie points.
Yeah, she don't have Possum. She's lazy. She's cute though.
She's a big
Possum dog, oh possum dog, fighting like an old warhog. Mama says you are her babe, but you're a possum dog, I say. Their kinfolks are the badger hound. Ace and Deadly lay around, but they get busy when they hear their food bowl or a white-tailed deer. Possum dog, oh possum dog, fight them like an old warhog. Mama says you are her babe, but you're a possum dog, I say. That wiener dog is low and long, but he must think he's 10 feet tall. When a critter comes around, Ace will hunt that varmint down. Possum dog, oh possum dog, fight them like an old warhog. Mama says you are her babe, but you're a possum dog, I say. He's hard on the skunks and the river rats. I've never seen a dog